Okay, Libby, what did we just go do?
We went to go find some nature stuff.
We did. And so we had a bucket and we went on a nature walk, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to sort it and we're going to count things and put them into categories, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start sorting.
So this is the shiny. No, this has to go in the rock pile. We're sorting them like the things that they are.
Libby's putting everything into categories, Landon. And then we're going to work on our counting.
Leaves.
Nice job working together, guys.
We got a lot of pine cones in the bucket.
A lot, huh? Yeah.
I think the leaves are gonna win.
You think the leaves?
Maybe the pine cones. Whatever near they are.
Maybe. We'll see.
Yeah, that one has blue poop. I don't want it.
Ew, don't touch it. Ugh.
Throw it away. Where did you put that one up? I didn't put it in.
All right, guys, keep sorting so we can count. How much more is left?
This will go in the pine needle.
Oh, and the pine
This
needles.
will go in the weed pile. This will go in the grass pile.
Okay.
This one's stick pile.
Those are cool.
Ooh, I think that's more pine needles. The pine needles over here.
Nice job, guys.
Okay, we got another leaf. I think
Which one did we get the most of?
this. I can tell because there's a lot.
Okay, so let's count. How many sticks do we have, Landon? Libby, you count the pine cones, please.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 sticks.
Yeah.
Okay.
8 sticks.
How many pine cones, Libby?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
23.
Yeah,
So which one's more, pine cones or sticks?
Pine cones!
Whoop, whoop. All right, what about rocks and pine needles?
I'm going to count the pine needles. Wait, do I have to count the pine needles?
I would just count the branch.
What?
So how many pine branches do you have?
1, 2, 3.
And how
I
many?
have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Wow, 26. So which one is there more, pine cones or rocks?
I'm on the rock.
What do you think, Libby?
Hey, Goose.
Oh, Goosey got a stick.
I think I should have this for my rocks.
I think rocks too.
I think I should put
So
these
now-
in my collection.
I want you guys to sort big rocks and little rocks.
Okay.
Okay?
Big rock. Can I have these for my collection?
I like that for your rock collection. So this is a great activity that you can do at home or at school, and you're exploring nature. You're taking a nature walk and you're just collecting some items. And then you can work on categories, textures, more and less, big and little. And so this is our example of counting with nature. So I hope this was helpful. There's so much you can do with this tactilely, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.